Greetings. In this video I'd like to go over the course website and some of the features available. Okay, this first link here are the lecture notes for when I actually give lectures, and these come from the last year's class that I taught. The top ones are the actual lecture slides that I give in the class, okay? And then these are PDFs, and these are not printer friendly. And then below those are printer friendly versions, okay, which are just handouts, and you can get multiple slides and you don't have a lot of dark background, okay? As I think you realize, I want to try to mix the traditional lecture with a flipped class format, and so we also have a link here to the LibreText website, which has a format which has the same table of contents as your textbook, but the material is different. If we go back to the next one, I have a bunch of old interactive quizzes that were made in JavaScript. Some of these are almost 20 years old. I started these around 1999, 2000, so they're 17, 18 years old. Many of these have hints that require you to disable your pop-up blocker. So I have to go and allow pop-ups from here. And these are questions, and then the pop-up could give a hint. And these are good for studying for exams and quizzes. Then we have the class syllabus. As soon as I finish our class syllabus will be here, but right now I have the summer 2016 one. Now, some of you may need to study the review material in greater detail. This is my PrepChem 1300 site, and there's all sorts of handouts and stuff with keys. So here's like an scientific notation worksheet. Here's the key to the scientific notation worksheet. And you can go through these. There's a lot of material here. We won't be covering that material in this class, but if you need to review, you can go over to the Chem 1300 material. Now, our current syllabus will be posted up here very shortly, but I do have the 7th and 6th edition syllabuses from COTS if you wish to look at them. Realize that the chapter titles may have changed and the sequence may have changed, but these are of more value to what are the problems, and the chemistry hasn't changed, okay? Here is the periodic table. In this class, I expect you to know the symbol and name for each of the elements that is not shaded, and that will probably be on your first quiz, which will be the third day class meets, that is right after drop add. And then, as I think you realize, you need to set up an account at Hypothesis, and this is a link to Hypothesis, and we will be using Hypothesis to annotate and communicate the LibreText site. I hope this is of value. Thank you.